Sorry, little one, you can't board without a passport.
Put me in the overhead bin. Problem solved.
Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to Learn with Emnet, where we learn, create, and grow together. You've probably seen AI baby podcast videos blowing up across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Millions of views, creators making money, and you can do it too. It's super easy if you start now, before the trend gets crowded. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create your own AI viral baby podcast, from crafting the right prompts to fixing common mistakes, so your videos come out funny, engaging, and ready to go viral. Watch till the end for tips that save you time and credits. Let's dive in. Step 1. Tools you'll need. We'll be using Google Flow free. You get 100 free credits monthly, 20 credits per video, so you can make up to 5 videos for free. Sign in with your Google account. If you have Google AI Pro, even better.
Step 2. Get your script with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and use this prompt. Act as a skilled prompt engineer and create a clear, well-structured prompt I can use with VO3 to produce a viral 8-second baby podcast-style video. The video should feature 2 characters, a friendly nurse as the interviewer and a baby as the host. Include 2 shots, an opening wide shot showing the playful podcast setup with both characters at a small desk, followed by a close-up shot focusing on the baby delivering a funny response. Write the prompt as a single paragraph and include light-hearted, humorous dialogue between the nurse and the baby to enhance the podcast vibe. ChatGPT will return a single paragraph script you can copy and use in VO3. Step 3. Generate your video, test and refine. Copy the ChatGPT prompt and open Flow. Click Create, then New Project. Select Text to Video and pick VO3 fast. Paste your prompt and hit Generate. Watch the video.
So tell us, what's your secret to all that cuteness?
Milk. Lots of milk.
Sometimes, the baby's lips won't sync, or VO animates the interviewer instead. This is normal on first tries. I'm showing you this so you don't waste credits. To fix it, go back to ChatGPT and explain. The baby's dialogue didn't sync. Please refine the prompt so the baby laughs, then clearly moves its lips in sync as it delivers the funny line. ChatGPT will return a refined prompt. Copy it, paste it back into Flow, and regenerate. The lip sync should now be fixed. Always loop back to ChatGPT if something looks off. The solution comes from prompt refinement.
So what's your secret to being so adorable?
Milk. Lots of milk.
Step 4. Generate variations. Once your prompt works, ask ChatGPT for variations. Change the joke, tone, settings, or language, for example, pidgin. Paste each new prompt into VO3 to quickly generate multiple videos.
Sorry, little one, you can't board without a passport.
Put me in the overhead bin. Problem solved.
Small madam, where you dey go?
I dey go chop rice before rice chop me.
Small madam, where you dey go?
I dey go chop rice before rice chop me.
Step 5. Recreate a viral look. Image, prompt, and instruction. If you want to emulate a viral video or thumbnail, download or screenshot the video using Snaptic for TikTok, Save Insta for Instagram, or a YouTube thumbnail extractor. Upload the image to ChatGPT and ask, generate prompt ideas based on this image, each one paragraph and ready for VO3. Pick a prompt, then add this instruction before generating in Flow. Act as a skilled prompt engineer and create a clear, well-structured prompt I can use with VO3 to produce an 8-second video. Include light-hearted, humorous dialogue between the characters. Paste the optimized prompt into Flow and generate. Your video will now match the style of the viral reference.
Professor, what's the secret to your genius?
Nap time and cookies.
Step 6. Quick pro tips to avoid problems. Start with a wide shot so VEO frames both characters properly. Then, cut to a close-up so the baby delivers the punchline. Keep dialogue short and snappy. One line works best. Use one-paragraph prompts. Long scattered instructions may fail. Be explicit about actions and lip sync. For example, baby giggles, lips moving in sync. Keep content wholesome and family-friendly. Avoid anything sexualized or violating YouTube policies. The content should be funny, light-hearted, and clearly AI-generated. And that's it. Now you know how to create hilarious AI baby podcasts, fix common mistakes, and make content that can go viral. If this helped, like, share, and comment. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Emnet for more tutorials that help you learn, create, and grow. Until next time, keep creating, keep shining, and I'll see you in the next video.